Hi, me again. And the next step on in Excel from our drop-down lists is how we're actually going to use this. Because what I want to do is I want to use the match feature or function to actually find out what row or what column these two here actually relate to. So I'm going to start off with that there. Now, master 2100, that's actually in the first of the rows here. Yeah, so that's row 1. So what I want to do is I want to get a value in here that actually returns a 1 when that one is chosen, a 2 when that one's chosen, a 3 and a 4. And then I'll do the same with this here with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I start off by saying equals match. And I don't have to type in the full word, I just start typing and then I double click on the function that comes up. The reason I do this is because when I double click on it, it then shows me the function and lets me see where I am in the function as well. So the first thing it's asking me for is the value that it wants to look up. Now the value is that one there. Now following the value here, there's a comma, so I just push in comma, and it's now saying what's the array. Now the array is the range, which is that, and this next one is actually quite important because a lot of people miss this one out because it's in square brackets here, which means it's optional, but actually it's quite important. We want an exact match. Now the reason we want an exact match is because we want specifically that, because it's chosen from that list anyway and it's an exact match that we want. If we'd chosen something else, it can throw up errors every now and then. Now as I said, that we wanted to return a 1. Now watch what happens when I choose different items in the list. You'll see how it is clearly working because it's returning the correct values. So let's see if we can do the same here. So equals match. And again, I don't type the whole thing. The lookup value is that one there. The range is that there. And the exact match is 0. So discount is in column 3. Now, in a minute, what we're going to do is we're going to use this array here, or this particular range, which gives us the prices for each model depending on who's buying them. And that's exactly why we need these values here. So let's go straight into that. Let's have a look at price. And let's say price equals an index. So this equals index. And you see it's asking me for the array. Now the array is that one there. Now the row number, that's clearly the row number here, which is that one. The column number is obviously that one. And I do need to close the brackets here and press enter. Now you'll see that the master 2100 for discount is 5040. So the master 2100 for discount is 5040. And if I were to change these numbers here, my price changes also. I hope that's been useful. That was a quick insight into looking at the match and the index functions. I'm the Adobe Guy, and thank you for listening.